Okay, so this one's gonna be a little bit tricky. First of all, it is the coldest and the windiest damn day of the year. Second, there are gigantic, just gaudy camera stations on the construction site. They are in only 2 places, however, so there is only one spot, a hole in the fence on the left side to sneak in from. That is my plan of action. We're in. Okay, there's cameras down that way. And there's also cameras down that way. So what I'm gonna do is climb up the scaffolding so I avoid the cameras, and then I can continue my way to the top. Elevator shaft. This one is much quieter. Wonder why. Nothing. The wind outside makes everything move, which makes me feel like I'm not alone. Like that. What the fuck? Who the fuck is there? Nobody. It's the wind. It makes everything move. I can get up the levels from here. So noisy at the top. But the view. But there's the view. You get. Peace and quiet. Sheltered from the wind. God, I hope those sirens aren't for me. The door just opened. Has to be the wind. The wind brings ghosts. The shaft. shit is it windy. Sounds like a damn musical instrument. So many dings and clangs. Oh my god. Oh, get up to the roof. Alright, no more lights. I'm climbing up the final stair set. Oh my god. Where do I see flashing lights, man? Holy shit. It's so windy. To the doorway, to the doorway, to the doorway, to the doorway. Freaking pigeon scared me, man. I need to push this over there, then I can get up. There we go. There's a lake up here. Okay, I'm more sheltered from the wind now. That was one of the most intense climbs I've ever done. The coldest day, the windiest day of the entire year. I can barely talk, I can barely breathe, I can barely move. God, I love this. Alright, it's time to find the way down now. I'm probably gonna die on the way down. This is gonna be my end. Anyway, let's go.